In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in PowerPoint. We're going to walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll be able to build a clean, easy-to-understand flowchart that you can use in presentations, reports, or even simple planning sessions. First, open PowerPoint and start with a blank slide. It's usually helpful to choose a simple, uncluttered layout. So if you see any default text boxes, you can delete them for now. That gives you a clear canvas to work on, which makes arranging your flowchart much easier. Next, we're going to add the shapes that form the building blocks of the flowchart. Go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Then click on Shapes. In the Shapes gallery, look for the section labeled Flowchart. Here you'll see common flowchart symbols like rectangles for processes, diamonds for decisions, ovals for start and end points, and more. Click on the shape you want. Then click and drag on the slide to draw it. Don't worry too much about exact sizing yet. You can always adjust it later. Once a shape is on the slide, you can add text directly inside it. Just click on the shape and start typing. Use short, clear phrases that describe each step, like start, approve request, or send email. If the text doesn't fit nicely, resize the shape by dragging the handles around its edges, or reduce the font size using the Home tab. After you have a few shapes added, you'll want to connect them so the flow of the process is obvious. Go back to Insert, then Shapes, and this time choose one of the line or arrow connectors. Connectors that snap to the middle of shapes are especially useful because they stay attached when you move things around. Click on the border of the first shape, then drag the connector to the border of the next shape. Make sure the arrow direction matches the direction of the process. As your flowchart grows, keep it aligned and spaced evenly so it stays readable. You can select multiple shapes by holding Shift and clicking each one. Then go to the Shape Format or Drawing Tools tab. Use the Align and Distribute options to line everything up neatly. Finally, if you want to make your flowchart more visually appealing, you can change colors and styles. Select a shape, then choose a fill color, outline, or preset style from the formatting options. Try to keep the color scheme simple and consistent so it's easy on the eyes and looks professional. Once everything looks good, review the flow from start to finish to make sure it's logical and complete. Save your presentation, and you're done. That's how you create a flowchart in PowerPoint.